welcome back to our kitchen.
My name's Eileen, and this is my mom.
I am the mom again with no name. Okay, so and this is
Ian the volcano. Yeah, he's actually a volcano today.
Yes, Ian. Okay, so Eileen is gonna go through the kitchen rules, and I will see you as soon as she's done.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay, so these are the kitchen rules. Make sure you wash your hands, your working area is clean, and you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision, because you can burn yourself and that's not good. So, now, the most important rule of the kitchen is robot Washington! Oh my god. Let's not do that. No. The most important rule of the kitchen is the first bam! So now, let's get cooking! Okay guys, these are
The ingredients for what? We're doing a smashed potato with bacon, and I'm 100% sure you haven't tried it.
It's really good.
You guys are gonna love it.
Yep. So all we're gonna need is potatoes, some pink salt, cheese, onions. We already chopped one of them. We're gonna need this one too. You're gonna need two of them. You're gonna need bacon, black pepper, half and half milk, butter, and
cream cheese. Okay, so we're gonna boil the potatoes and we're gonna add the salt to the potatoes and we're gonna show you how it's done.
Yep. Bye-bye. Okay, we're back. So my mom is gonna put the potatoes in the hot water with the salt, and we're just gonna let them boil.
Remember, we cut them in half so they can cook faster, and then we're gonna pour the salt and we're just gonna let them boil. And then in that pan, we're gonna pour
our bacon.
The bacon. Make sure you cut it in small pieces so it can cook faster.
Okay, so we put the bacon in here, and we're just gonna keep on mixing it. And we're gonna
She has to spread it in the pan, so we're just gonna let it sit for the bacon to cook. So you're just gonna be checking on that one because we don't want them to burn.
So we're just
and our potatoes are already boiling, so we have to wait. And when you check them, make sure you poke them with the fork.
And if it goes through, they're all cooked.
Okay, so we see you in a minute.
Yep.
Okay, a quick review. This is how our bacon looks like. You see it's already starting to get cooked, so make sure you keep stirring and checking on the bacon. Okay, so we're back. So our potatoes are done. Our bacon is done. So now we have to do the smashed potato. I don't like to smash it too much, and I don't like to remove the skin of the potatoes because we like the pieces inside. We think it looks nice. So we're gonna pour the cream cheese. And we're gonna pour the butter, our milk, our pepper, some onions, and some of the cheese.
Oh, and bacon too.
And bacon. Okay. So now you can do your así está bien.
We can eat the rest.
Yes. So you make sure you mix everything together. If you want to add more salt,
you can.
It's okay. I
don't recommend.
Don't like it because we already put salt to the potatoes when we boil them. Plus the bacon is really salty. So you're gonna keep mixing, and when you're done, you're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees from 10 to 15 minutes
until the cheese melts.
Yes. So we're gonna keep mixing, and we're gonna show you how it looks.
Bacon's pretty good.
Somebody's stealing my bacon. So let me show you how it looks now when everything is mixed. So this is how it looks. It's already cheesy. It's perfect. But we like it with more cheese. Let me remove this. We're gonna put more cheese. We're gonna pour some more bacon.
Oh man.
No more bacon for you. Our oven is ready.
Wow.
So we're gonna put everything. So it's 3 pounds of bacon. You can use less or you can do it without bacon.
Yeah.
So just
We
make
recommend the bacon.
just make it look pretty. And you're gonna have a happy husband.
Yes.
Happy kids. Okay.
Easy.
So, and now this is ready for the oven. So you're just gonna make sure everything melts, and we're gonna show it to you as soon as it's done. Bye.
And we'll also try it. So good. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, we're back.
Okay, let me show them how it looks. Delicioso.
So I'm gonna put
Ian is already eating it. How is it, Ian?
good. I'm gonna pay the consequence. I'm gonna eat it. I know I'm gonna get bloated, but it's worse. It's better than not being able to eat it. So I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah, gas mask.
What's the
Wow, how was it, Aileen?
So good.
So, is it worth it? Oh, Ian just
Definitely.
can't speak. Okay, guys, so if you like this video or this recipe, please let us know what you think in the comments below.
And make sure you subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. And ding the bell.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.